Let me just quickly show you here. If you don't have these ridiculously decadent pillows, you can also take your bolster a bit, and this is a square bolster, you can use a round bolster, but you can put it underneath your thighs like that. So your thighs, your hip joints, your calves are all supported. That's actually one of my favorite ways to do a supported butterfly. But now I've got these pillows and they're pretty special. So hopefully as I'm chatting here with you, you are getting all cozy. We want, the key especially with this kind of work, the key is, so if you have yoga blocks, that's fine, but I'm assuming you're at your house. So I'm gonna assume you've got more pillows. I think the more, so you can pause this if you wanna get even more pillows, because the more parts of your legs that are supported, the better. Ideally, we'd have, even you can put a pillow underneath your ankles, but especially getting support all the way up your thighs to your knees and the calves. It's going to make a big difference for your nervous system and that patterning that we want for your nervous system to know what it feels like to be fully supported and relaxed. Now take the time, hopefully you found a wonderfully relaxed, soft, sweet spot for yourself. This is where you can get wonderfully picky as well. So if you're not feeling completely wonderful and supported, make a change, adapt. Get creative in how you use the props. Don't be shy. It's the experimentation is where we really can learn a lot. But if you found a wonderful spot, we're going to go into the body. So first let's take a few big breaths, always working with our breath. Breathing in nice and deep. Two more big breaths. Breathing in, fill your lungs. Breathing out slowly. And one more big deep breath in. Your hands can rest by your side, or they can rest on your belly, or they can rest on the thighs. And take your awareness to your belly and allow all the layers of your belly to relax. Get a sense of your internal organs relaxing in the still position. And then the top, more surface layers of your belly softening. And as they soften and relax, feel like it's spreading out. Your core muscles don't have to work right now. They don't have to hold you up. So allow them to soften. And see if that softening from your core, from your center, can radiate down into your hip joints, into the bowl of your pelvis, and into the hip joints. And can you feel the bones themselves, the bones of your pelvis, the bones of your femurs, your thigh bones softening, being held by your pillows. And then feeling all the soft tissue surrounding those bones softening, feeling spacious. Can you allow a little bit more heaviness from your legs, your body, to release and feel held by the floor, by your props. Is there any part of you that's still efforting just a little bit? And can you find those spots and invite them to relax that effort? Now, if you find that it's challenging to be here and thinking about relaxing, I invite you then to focus your mind on, again, the simple experience of being in your body. And layer by layer, bit by bit, observing, inviting that softening to happen through your legs. That constant work can let go a little bit more, can ease. Now we're going to come back into awareness of our breath. And we'll breathe 3 more big breaths together. These breaths are going to be slow and controlled. Inhaling slowly in through the nose, expanding down into the lower lobes of your breath or of your lungs as you breathe in. And then on that exhale, release it slowly through the nose. Slowly exhale. And just as that exhalation finishes, then we inhale slowly. Slow, controlled exhale, feeling your body still relaxed, heavy. One more breath back in. And out. Now, if you feel like this is just delightful and nothing, you want to stay here for as long as you can, then let this video play out and take your time here. If you feel like this is enough, we're going to slowly start to invite some movement. Noticing as you move the experience of your legs. How does it feel to take the time and give the permission for your hip joints, your legs, in fact, your whole body, that permission to slow down and pause, replenish and recharge. And then eventually rolling over to one side. Pausing there on one side, allowing yourself to stay connected inwards. And then let's make our way slowly back up to sitting. Pausing again before finishing our class together. First noticing your legs. Noticing the hip joints. Are they a little bit more soft? Is there a little bit more ease? And then noticing your nervous system. Does your mind feel a little bit more calm? Do you feel more settled in your body? Let's invite a wave of gratitude to, as we've had that sense of relaxing and softening and letting go, let's replace any of that accumulated tension that we released, to replace it with a sense of gratitude. So I like to think about flooding the hip area with gratitude, with love, with care. So thank you, everyone, and we'll see you in the next class. P.S. Do this more often, even just this last little lying around and being supported daily. 5 minutes. You'll thank me later.